Oh, guys, hold on. No, here's explosions with Eggslush. We're going to be trying out all the explosions. First up, sticky dynamite. Come here, Eggslush. What the heck? So, it sticks to players. Oh no! Boom! Alright, next is normal dynamite. I think we have all the items. I don't know, but... Now I'm almost up, we gotta go back. Right, next, the teleport grenade. The disaster machine has gone on 7. Now currently, there is a tornado. Bro. Help me! I'm getting sucked in! Wait for... Alright, next, the flashbang. Get ready for this one, Wafer. Ow! Where am I?
Oh my goodness.
Alright, next is the normal grenade. Throw it! Oh. Next is a cluster grenade. Wafer, you might die from this, but... What? LeBron James. Alright, next is Minecraft TNT. Minecraft. It's gonna blow! No! Next is this grenade. It's just a trap, basically. But here's a magic trick. Oh! Ah! Oh, man.
You exploded the other one.
Yo, can you buy the other ones? It's the gravity grenade and the thing. Wait, why am I flying? Alright. So, here are the last grenades, guys. This one is the gravity grenade. Watch this! I believe I can fly. Yeah, and that one just sends you up. So, I don't know how long this video is. See you in the next one. Remember, explosions with Eggslush.